everyone, so I'm back with another Get Ready With Me. I recently bought some pigments, some cream shadows from Danessa Myricks, and I think I would love to use some of these today. I have some other products that I would like to share with you and talk about them today, so let's get started. I firstly would like to apply my Vitamin Enriched face cream, face base from Bobbi Brown, just to kind of let this sink in a bit more until I do the eye makeup. And because I will be using the cream shadows, I'll probably not have any kind of fallout, so I can apply this and let this just prep my skin. This is a fantastic face primer moisturizer that I all the time like to use. It just prepares the skin for, you know, the foundation application, or I don't know, tinted moisturizer application. It just makes it kind of plump, soft, poreless, but not in a silicone primer way, just in a very kind of nourished, gorgeous, glowy skin. And using some concealer as my base for the eyes, I'm using the Shiseido Synchro Skin, and this is in the shade 102 Fair. So I will just apply a little bit on my eyelid, and we'll kind of just blend this with my Backstage Beauty brush. I love to use this brush for concealing like small areas or blending the concealer on my eyelid. So these are the shades that I got: Brownie, Ballerina, so pretty, and I also got Lamsicle. So I'm starting with the shade Brownie and applying this in the crease, and I think also on the eyelid, super lightly because this is very pigmented. And kind of just blending it, all the edges with a clean blending brush. So I want this kind of to mix together with the concealer that I have. And I will intensify a bit the color here, just on the eyelid. One problem that I always have with Danessa Myricks pigments, matte pigments, is that they just dry really fast, and I don't have enough time to blend to perfect. And this is for me like a major problem, because I do really like to, you know, take my time, blend it very well. This is like the best I could do, and I don't like it. I feel like it's not blended properly. But I think it will just do for now, because I stayed for like 10 minutes trying to perfect this a little bit. So let's move on to Ballerina, and I will use this just in the center of the eyelid. I'm still sad that the matte shade just dries so fast. I guess I don't mind the quick dry for the, you know, shimmery shades, but for this I just need something a bit more manageable in a way. So let's move on to the face. I'm using my, is it Easy Drop or Ease Drop? So this is a blurring skin tint. It has a nice coverage, so I like to use this all over as a foundation too. And this color, it's perfect. It's really, really perfect for me. This is in the shade number 6. I'm a bit tanned, if you can tell. And this fits me perfectly now. And also it has a really lovely finish. It's like again, radiant matte finish. blurs a bit, you know, the pores around my nose, and it's very comfortable to wear. So overall I love this. Just it will not it will still accentuate my smile lines, which is kind of normal, I guess. So now I'm moving on to the concealer, and I'm using the Shiseido Synchro Skin Concealer. And again, I will be blending that underneath the eyes. I don't really need it anywhere else, so I will just stick to the under eyes. Kind of clean this area too, and maybe like blend it a little bit. Moving on to my Dior Forever Cushion Loose Powder, which I use all the time. I love this. It's not really kind of like blurring or extra mattifying. It's just for setting. It looks again extremely natural. And for contour, I will be using the Charlotte Tilbury Sculpting Powder Light. And the highlighter, my favorite at the moment. This is the Nars Illuminator. And I will use on the bottom eyelid the same shade. Mascara Max Factor Divine Lashes. This separates the lashes nicely. And it's also super black. And then I will also add some individual false lashes. Okay, so the lashes are on. I use the Nikki Makeup and Sweet Lashes collaboration. I love these. They're just perfect to create that kind of really defined but not super like a full lash strip situation. I feel like it gives you more of an airy but still defined look. Now, as much as I love these, they're very expensive for individual false lashes, and I do have some dupes for this that I found on AliExpress and also on YesStyle. The YesStyle ones are definitely more similar because the quality is better, but they give just a similar effect. And as a lipstick, I will be using my e.l.f. and Jen Atkin Lip Duo in this like nudie kind of color. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this and have a lovely day. Bye.